Good morning, guys. Welcome back to Tech Robotics. Here we teach robotics and computing, and we make it so simple so that our students will understand. Today we are going to work on the Znatok Kit. We are going to use the Znatok to turn on a bulb and the LED using the reed switch and the switch. So the reed switch works with a magnet, and when you place the magnet on it, the LED will turn on. Guys, in order not to talk so much, let's get to the work. So I have my Znatok here, so we are going to start with our project. So I have my board. I'll place it here. Now I will bring my battery pack. So I will place it here. Now I will connect my electric bulb. So I'll connect my electric bulb. So I will place it here. Then I will connect my switch. I will place it here. Now I will need the wires, the 2 pins. So I place the wires, the 2 pins here. Then I will place the bulb on it. I will need another wire, the 2 pins. I will place it here. Then I will place the switch on it. Now I have to connect my LED, the LED bulb. So this is my LED bulb. So I will place my LED bulb here. Now I will need to connect my reed switch. That's the one that uses the magnet. So I have it here, and I will place it here. Now I have my magnet here. So this is my magnet. Now when I open the circuit, the LED is on. When I close the circuit, the LED is off, but the bulb is not turning on. When I turn it on, the bulb is not turning on. When I place the magnet here, now the bulb is on, the LED is off. When I take the magnet, the LED is on, the bulb is off. When I place the magnet, the bulb is on, the LED is off. When I switch it off and I place the magnet, because I have opened the circuit, none will work. If I place my magnet, if I take the magnet, I place my magnet. Thank you guys for watching. See you again next time.